In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch to a video mode on a camera on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started and first off, open up Camera app. By default, camera starts in photo mode anytime. If you would like to record a video, all you have to do is just tap right here where it says video mode, and that will turn video mode on. After that, we can configure it a bit before recording a video. Right over here, we can tap at that icon to turn on action mode. Action mode is actually a sport mode to record rapidly moving objects like a sport game. We can turn it on or off. Also, if we tap at HD, we'll be able to switch it to 4K. That highly increases the quality of our video, and also that highly increases the video file size. Right here also we can change the frequency. We can switch between 30, 24. There are just two frequencies here. And also down below, right over here, we can select a lens to switch between lenses. Actually, we got three different lenses here, and we can easily switch between them. To switch between lenses, in my case, in that particular situation, the best way is to use wide-angle lens. So I'm gonna switch to wide-angle. Why not? And then all we have to do in order to start recording a video is just tap at that button. And as you can see now, the video is being recorded. If you see that time widget here, it means that the video is being recorded. And then also you are able to switch between lenses in the same way. Also, we can zoom in or zoom out camera by pinching it. And then once it is done, tap right here to stop recording a video. Video will be immediately saved to your camera roll. You can easily find it by tapping right here. You can immediately tap on it and then watch that video. And also we can find the video we recorded in our main camera roll. To do that, just tap right here at Photos app icon. And that's where we can find the video we have just recorded. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.